Welcome everyone. We are discussing most important chapter of trigonometry, that is inverse circular function. Today I will discuss some basic but mistake doing problems in inverse circular functions. These are important in board as well as in competitive exam. Look, so we have already discussed the basic concept. Now look the theory. Sin inverse sin x is in radian equals to x if x belongs to principal value. What is principal value of sin x? Sin inverse x minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Cos inverse cos x equals to x belongs to 0 to pi. Tan inverse tan x equals to x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 open interval. And cot inverse cot x equals to x belongs to 0 to pi. Similarly for sec inverse x, principal value is 0 to pi minus pi by 2, cosec inverse x same minus 0. Now look, sin inverse. What is value of sin inverse? Sin 2. So, if you do not use the theory, this restriction, so sin inverse sin x equals to x, most of the students write this is sin 2. But what is 2? 2 means 2 radian. 1 radian approximately 57 degree. So what is 2 radian? 57 into 2. So it does not lie to the restriction, to the given restriction. So sin inverse sin 2 is not true. This is wrong. Now you have to write this argument into this restriction, this principal value, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Look again, 2, this is 2 radian. If it is not given, this is 2 radian. So 2 radian is greater than 90 degree. So 2 is not its principal value. So look, 0 less than x less than 2 less than pi. 2 radian lies between 0 to pi. We write left hand and right hand in terms of multiple of pi. Do not write this as pi by 2, multiple of pi. Now look, pi minus 2. Pi minus 2. So pi is so 180 minus 2 into 57. So lies in this interval. So we write it in this form. Sin inverse sin 2. So sin inverse sin pi minus 2. So what is the value? Sin pi minus theta is sin theta and pi minus 2. This belongs to principal value minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So sin inverse sin 2 is pi minus 2. Pi minus 2. So similarly, you look, cos inverse cos 2. So obviously it is in radian. So 2 radian approximately 114 degree. Approximately 114 degree in terms of degree. So now look, it lies in principal value. So cos inverse cos 2 equals to 2. cos inverse cos 2 equals to 2. Look, this restriction cos inverse cos 2, this equals to 2 because 2 belongs to principal value. Now, tan inverse, tan 2, tan inverse tan 2. Now look, tan inverse tan 2. 2 does not belongs to 2 radian does not belongs to principal value. So look, we know 0 less than 2 less than 5. We want to express this angle in terms of multiple of pi. Now, tan inverse tan 2, you can write tan inverse tan pi minus 2. But tan pi minus 2, tan pi minus 2, tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta. So, meaning is not same. So, this one. So, tan inverse minus x equals to minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse tan pi minus 2. Now, this equals to pi minus 2 belongs to principal value. Pi minus 2 belongs to principal value. So, we are getting pi minus 2. So, 2 minus pi. 2 minus pi. 2 minus pi is negative. But look, its principal value lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So, you need basic idea of trigonometry. Now, listen again. Sin inverse sin x equals to x if x belongs to principal value. So, you have to see whether this argument lies in principal value. Now, look, cos inverse cos 2. 2 belongs to principal value of cos. So, it is only 2. Sin inverse sin 2. This does not belongs to principal value. So, it is not 2. So, we want to express it in multiple of pi. This angle, pi. Pi means 3.14 also. 3.14. So, 3.14. So, look, 2 less than 3.14. So, 2 lies between 0 to pi. Now, pi minus 2 belongs to principal value. So, sin inverse sin 2 equals to sin inverse sin pi minus 2. So, we are getting pi minus 2. Now, in case of tan inverse tan 2. So, 2 does not belongs to principal value. So, we cannot write it 2. So, tan inverse, use tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta, but it is tan 2, make here minus. So, tan inverse minus x, minus comes outward. So, tan inverse tan pi minus 2. So, tan pi minus 2 belongs to principal value. So, this is pi minus 2, negative at the beginning. So, 2 minus pi. So, this is our concept, but it will take time. You can use shortcut rule to find principal values. So, now I am using shortcut rule of finding value of this type of problem. Now we use shortcut rule. How to find principal value? Now cos inverse cos 2, cos inverse cos 5, cos inverse cos 8, cos inverse cos 10. Suppose we are considering problem number 3. 8 radian. So, 8 radian. So principal value of cos 0 to pi. So 8 radian. So 8, you have to express 8 in terms of multiple of pi. Now 3 pi, this one is 3 pi and this one is 2 pi. Pi means 3.14. So this is 9 point something. So 8 radian lies between 2 pi and 3 pi. So what is our rule? So identify the interval of 8. It lies between 2 pi to 3 pi. If it is odd multiple of pi, so cancel it. Odd multiple of pi, so cancel the odd multiple. And what will be our answer? Answer will be even multiple minus angle. Even multiple minus angle. So what is our answer? Answer is cos inverse cos 8 equals to 2 pi minus 8. So cos inverse cos 8 equals to 2 pi minus 8. So listen again. Express 8 radian in terms of multiple of pi, the interval in which 8 radian lies. Now cancel even multiple of pi. Then answer is odd multiple of pi. Even multiple minus angle. Now cos inverse cos 2. Let us verify. 2. So 2 lies between 0 to pi. Pi means 3.14. So 0 to pi. So you know 2 is it is in between principal value. So no need of taking this. This one equals to 2. So cos inverse cos 2 equals to 2. Because, so look, it is pi, it is 0. 0 is considered so it is 2. So take the interval which is cos inverse cos 12. So 12. So 12 means 3 pi less than 12 less than 4 pi. 4 pi. 12. 4 into 3.3. So this is greater than 12. So 12 radian lies between 3 pi to 4 pi. So what is your rule? Even multiple minus angle. So 4 pi minus 12. Even multiple minus 12. Even multiple minus 12. Now cos inverse cos 5. So 5 lies between, this is 2 pi, this is pi. So 2 pi and this is pi. 3.14. So now this is odd. This one is odd. So cancel this part. So cancel this part. What is our answer? Even multiple minus pi. So 2 pi minus 5. So look at the shortcut for cosine. This is very simple. I am discussing, that is why it is taking time. Now rule is express this angle in terms of pi. So this angle must lie in between principal value of this. So look, for example, cos inverse cos 12. So 12 radian lies between 3 pi to 4 pi. What is our rule? Cancel odd multiple of pi. Then answer will be even multiple minus angle. So 4 pi minus 12. Here 2 pi minus 12. Here 2 pi minus 5. 2 pi minus 5. So these are most important in case of board also. Now we consider a rule of sine. But main concept is that I have already discussed it for all trigonometric ratios. Express it so that this lies in principal value, in the interval of principal value. Now we consider problems involving sine inverse. Now consider sine functions. So sine inverse, sine 4 radian. So this does not belong in the interval of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because 1 radian approximately equals to 57 degree in terms of degree. So this does not lie to the principal value, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So express 4, this is 2 pi. 2 pi means 2 into 3, 6, and this is 4, so this is pi. Now you have to take the difference. Which one is nearer to 4? Pi minus 4 or 2 pi minus 4. So pi minus 4 and 2 pi minus 4. This is 6 point something. So approximately 2 point. And this is 3.14. So 3 point. So it is less than 1. This is less than minus 1. So if you take mod, so this is less than 1. So this one is difference, this one is nearer to. Pi minus 4 is nearer in comparison to 2 pi minus 4. So look the rule. So difference of pi minus 4 and 2 pi minus 4. Which one is lesser? You take this one. Cancel this one. Now what is your rule? You look whether pi is odd multiple or even multiple. So this is odd multiple. In case of odd multiple, answer is odd multiple of pi. Odd multiple of pi minus theta. And in case of even, theta minus even multiple. Even multiple. N is even multiple. Even multiple of pi. Then theta minus even. So look it again. 4 lies between pi and 2 pi. This difference is small. So discard right hand side. Now pi. 1 into pi. This is odd multiple. So in this case, what is the answer? Pi minus theta. So pi minus 4. So value is pi minus 4. Now pi minus 4 is negative, but you know sin inverse sin x is lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So no. Now look, sin inverse sine 10. So 10, this is 3 pi, 3.14, 3 pi to 4 pi. Now 10 minus 3 pi, and this is 12. So this one is small. You consider the difference taking pi equals to 3.114. So you are taking this as, you are getting this difference as small. So what is our answer? Answer is odd multiple of pi minus theta. So answer is 3 pi minus 10. What is the answer? 3 pi minus 10. Now consider again problem number 4. Sine inverse sine 12. So 12. So this is 4 pi and this is 5 pi. This is 4 pi, this is 5 pi. So 3.14 into 4. So, and this is 3 point this. Which one is? So this difference is small. This difference is small. Now look the rule. This difference is small. Now this is even multiple of pi. Even multiple of pi. If n is even multiple of pi, answer is theta minus even multiple. What is theta? 12 minus 4 pi. So this should be noted. So express the given angle in terms of multiple of pi. Take the difference. You look which difference is small. In this case, 4 pi minus 12 is, this difference is small. Now you look whether it is even multiple or odd multiple. This is even multiple of pi. So answer will be theta minus even multiple. Theta minus even multiple. So 12 minus 4 pi. This is 12 minus 4 pi. Now in case of tan, you are getting same rule that of sine. For example, look, x belongs to principal value belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So now 12. So this lies between 4 pi and 3 pi. So 9 and this is 12. Well, 3.9. So this is 4. So look, this will be 4 pi to 5 pi. 4 pi to 5 pi. Now this is 15 point something. This is 12. So difference is approximately 3 and this is less than 1. So this difference is small. Now 4 pi is even. 4 pi is even. So answer is theta minus even. So what is theta? This angle 12 minus 4 pi. So same procedure that of sine. So tan inverse tan 4 equals to. So 4 lies between, look, pi 3.14, 4 radian less than 2 pi. So this is 6 point. So this difference is same. So pi is multiple of 1. This is odd. So if it is odd, so answer is pi minus 4. Pi minus 4. But look, if you consider it, so look, tan inverse, tan pi minus 4. So tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta, and this is 4. So you have to take a minus. So tan inverse minus a, so minus as it is, tan inverse, tan pi minus 4. So this will be, so look, minus pi minus 4, so 4 minus pi. So this is nearer, but look, since this is pi minus 4 lies in second quadrant, you are getting a minus sign. So answer will be 4 minus pi. 4 minus pi, not pi minus 4. So 4 minus pi, you are getting answer. So this type of problem, look, if argument does not lie in the said principal value, so your main aim will be to put the said principal value, to put the given angle in terms of said principal values of the inverse circular function. Then perform your calculation. And in case of sine and cos, you can solve it easily using shortcut rule. Now, I will solve some problems of JEE Main and Wbjee using this concept. Now I consider two problems of JEE Main. I have already discussed this. So sine inverse, sine 12. So 12, express it in terms of multiple of pi. So this is 4 pi and this is 5 pi. In case of sine, so you take the difference, which one is small. So this one is small. So this is even multiple. 4 is even multiple. 4 is even multiple. So even multiple of pi. So what is your formula? Theta minus even. So 12 minus 4 pi. This one is 12 minus 4 pi. And in case of cos inverse, cos 12, same procedure. 4 pi less than 12 less than 5 pi. So if it is odd multiple, cancel it. Cancel this one. So odd minus, this one is odd multiple is cancel. So what is your rule? Even multiple minus angle. This is our shortcut rule. So even multiple, what is even multiple? 4 pi minus 12. And in this case, whose difference is small, then you have to apply the formula. So what is the answer? 12 minus 4 pi, and this is 4 pi minus 12. So all are cancelled. So you are getting value as 0. So look it again. If you shortcut method use, this is 4 marks problem. It will take maximum 30 seconds. Now consider case number 2, problem number 2. So simplify first. Cos inverse cos 5 radian. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Tan inverse tan 12. So 5. This is 2 pi and this is pi. So in case of cos, cancel odd multiple of 5. Cancel odd multiple of 5. Then what is the answer? Even multiple minus 2 pi. So even multiple minus angle. So this one is 2 pi minus 5. Even multiple minus 5. Now in case of sine inverse, this is 6. So this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi. Now which one is nearer to 6? So this difference is nearer to 6. Now this is even. If it is even, what is our rule? Theta minus even. So theta minus even. So what is theta? 6 minus 2 pi. Theta minus even. Now 12. So 3 pi less than 12 less than 4 pi. 3 pi less than 12 less than 4 pi. So this one is nearer. So this one is nearer. So you can write tan inverse tan 12. So tan inverse tan 4 pi minus 12. So it lies in fourth quadrant. So you are getting a negative. So you have to balance it by minus. So tan inverse minus x is this. So you are getting 12 minus 4 pi. Now if it is even, then rule is just like sine inverse. What is the rule? Even multiple minus angle. What is the rule for even multiple? Theta minus even. So theta minus even. What is theta? 12. So put these values. So we are getting 2 pi minus 5 plus 6 minus 2 pi. Here is minus 12 minus 4 pi. So 6 and this is minus 17. So this is minus 11. 2 pi cancel. This is 4 pi. So 4 pi minus 11 is correct answer. So today, through this class, I have discussed how to find this type of problem. Sine inverse sin x. If x does not belongs to principal value. Some basic but mistake doing problems. Sine inverse sin 12. This is not 12. So you try to express it, this angle, in terms of principal value. And in case of sine and cos, you can use shortcut method. So these are 4 marks problem of Wbjee main. So you can solve it within 1 minute. So thank you for today.